Hello everyone, welcome. Today we will explore Excel powerful switch function, making complex condition logic easier. Let's start in. What is a switch function? Actually, the switch function replaces multiple nested if statement, simplifying your workflow like grading system, categorization, status update. Here I will show you one example. So here is example sheet. Suppose we have this case where we need to fill out student grades and remarks. In this table we have the student ID, student name and marks. We also receive a school policy chart for grading, categorization and remarks based on that. So how we can complete this task efficiently in a short time. In this case we only have row 1 to 12. So we can easily fill out the information manually. However, if you have mark sheet for more than 1000 students, you can use the switch function. Here is a great example of how the switch function is powerful and easy to use. Let's get started. So now we will start formula equal, write switch, then expression we will write true because of calculation, then comma, then what is the value 1, our actual marks, we will click on our actual marks, then what is the condition, more than or equal to 74, then our grade A, then comma, second condition, again we will click on our actual marks, more than or equal to 64, then the grade must be B, then comma, third condition, again we will click on marks column, our marks more than or equal to 54, then grade C, then comma, fourth condition, we will click on marks column, we will write more than or equal to 44, then result, the grade D, then comma, our fifth condition, we will click on marks column, then more than or equal to 33, then the grade will be E, comma, then fifth condition. Now the grade, we will click on marks column, then again less than or equal to 32, then grade F, F mean fail, then we will close the bracket, enter. Now you can see here auto grades based on marks. Now our second condition, we need to fill auto remarks. Again we will use our switch function. We will write equal switch, again expression, our grade, our actual grade, then comma, then what is the condition, if the grade A, then the remarks is excellent. Then second condition, if the grade is B, then the remarks great. You can write whatever. Then comma. Third condition, if the grade is C, then not bad, need more efforts. Then comma. Another condition, if the grade is D, then need more attention. You can add your condition whatever as you like. Then the grade is E. So what is the remarks should be? Very poor performance. Comma. If the grade is F, then remarks is fail and schedule parents meeting. Yes, if anyone fail, directly call parents. Then comma. And default value we will keep empty if there is no grade. Bracket close and enter. Here what is the error? Yeah, here we need to forget double quote. Enter double quote. Then we will enter. Now you can see here all the remarks based on grade. Now you can see how is the powerful switch function. If you know this formula, you can easily do your task. You can use this formula, especially your invoice aging report. You need to categorize how many number of days each invoice is. So what is the remarks? You can use this formula also there. I hope you understand.